Good morning. We're back at the Tatoosh Wilderness. We're gonna do the Tatoosh Peak today. Um, we have to fill out this little permit first. I totally forgot to fill it out last time, so we'll get that done real quick. There's an extremely talkative bird in the background right now. There are also only 3 other cars here, so that's really cool. There's not gonna be very many people on the trail. And I was looking in here when I grabbed my pass, and it looks like, move my poles over real quick. It looks like some of the people that are here today are, well, I won't look at their, because that's got their addresses. But someone's from New York, and someone else was from Tacoma. I think we had someone from Yakima. Pretty sure those are all from today. So I'll fill mine out and we'll get going. Oh, here comes another car. See you at the top. So it looks like the trail has required a blood sacrifice to pass today. Jabbed my shin on a branch. But it's not that bad. We'll rub some dirt in it here in a bit and we'll be fine. On our way to the peak. Look at that little tree there. That one. Reminds me of a tree out of Dr. Seuss or something. The fall colors are amazing this year. So much red. A lot of yellow too. Absolutely beautiful. Whoa. Trail's getting narrow. Trying to look at the view, not paying attention where my feet are going. Look at this rock wall. That is so cool. So I'm a little disappointed. We are coming downhill some, which means we're gonna have to come back hill. Come back hill. Come back uphill on the way back. And I really had my heart set on it being all downhill. But that's okay. It's only a tiny bit of a climb out. The majority of it will be downhill. And that's what's important. So I'll focus on the good. Wow, that's a washout there. Let's see how that goes. Looks passable. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. It was at one point, but super smoky. Okay, I gotta check and see which way I go now. So apparently we went too far. I have to turn around and go back. Somehow I missed the turnoff for the peak. It's supposed to be right around here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Totally walked past that. Okay. Well, good thing I checked my map. Okay. We made the turnoff for the peak. Passed it, but we came back to it. Okay. Here we go. That was funny. I was like, this isn't right. I think we might be at the top. I'm not sure. This is no, a little further. Oh man, there's one person up there. Darn it. Hopefully they're coming down. We would have had it to ourselves. Looks like they're coming down though. Yay! Yeah, they're coming down. Sweet. Wow, I see why everybody comes up here. Look at that amazing lake. That is such a beautiful color. It's insane. We made it to the top. It's a bummer that it's so smoky behind us. You'd be able to see St. Helens and Adams and all the other mountains if it wasn't so smoky back there. It's super smoky. See Mount Rainier really good though. And that lake, you can't miss that lake. That is gorgeous. So that was quite the hike. Get quite the elevation. Let's see, we're 5.67 miles in. Let me look and see what elevation we're at real quick. 6,263 feet. And we climbed 3,673 feet. So quite the climb. We're here where the old lookout used to be. Sadly, that's all that's left of it. Some virtue signaling do-gooder Karens probably came along and took it down like the one at High Rock. If you can't tell, that still makes me mad. That Firelookout was perfectly good, and they just had to come along and take it down. And this one's gone. We'll probably never get the High Rock one back. They said it was supposed to be put back up in 2023, and here we are at the end of 2024, and it's still not back up, so I don't have any faith that they'll ever put it back. But we made it to the top, and it was worth it. It was a hard hike up here, but it's gorgeous. We're going to walk down a little further along this trail here. This other little lookout spot in the shade. And then I'm going to sit here and eat some lunch. Wow. That lake is crazy. All right, we got Sam and Becca enjoying the views. And Sam, hey, look, you're in the forefront this time. You're getting some good camera time. Becca's back there too. She's looking pretty. They're both getting views of this gorgeous alpine lake and Mount Rainier. Thanks for coming along, Sam and Becca. Here with me in spirit. This is the only thing that could make these views better, is listening to Upchurch. Absolutely amazing here. Absolutely amazing. Smoke rings in my style. If love was a drug, I'll be pulling all nighter. Flames we make, nothing gets me higher. Got you breathing heavy and living desire. Cool light, sex and a lighter. Thanks for coming along to the peak with me. To slow down. Oh yeah. I got a spot that nobody even knows about. Somewhere you can't get tickets. Phone won't ring if you dial my digits. No prevost made to reach this thicket. Need 6 strings and some cigarette papers. Won't get tired jamming guitar. Laying in a truck bed playing for the stars. 3, 4, 4 wheels, 5 gears, no one missing. My concert for the crickets. My concert for the crickets. Okay, I think that's considered trail karaoke. And if it is, it's a first because if I post it, because I've never done karaoke, so I probably won't post it. Last of the moon, tied knots in a knock, score Dixieland alive, and it'll lift my heart pours. You. It's hard to sing and run. Somewhere you can get tickets. Phone won't ring if you dial my digits. No prevost made to reach this ticket. Me 6 strings and some cigarette papers. Won't get tired jamming guitar. Laying in a truck bed playing for the stars. Chords, 4 wheels, 5 gears, no one missing. My concert for the crickets. Oh, God. My concert for the crickets. Concert for crickets. That's probably one of my favorite Upchurch songs. I've got a lot of favorites, though. It's hard to pick. But I really like that one. Squirrels in a cab eating gas station popcorn. Gas station popcorn can be pretty good. I just want to say thanks to Upchurch. Thank you, Ryan, for making such awesome music. It makes a world of difference for me when I'm out here. Thank you. All right, we're back. Made it back to the car. What time is it? We should check. It is 4:23. That's not bad. We went 10 miles, 10.89 miles. Not bad. Stop this. Boom, saving. Okay, awesome. All right. Well, made it back. Past the 2 girls that we ran into that were going to climb this little trail that goes up to a little lookout, we think. We're not sure. But they decided against going up there, and they just headed down to the lake. I was really hoping they were going to go up it, and I'd catch them on the trail again and get to find out what it was a view of. But they didn't go up there, so I guess we got one more thing we have to do out here. It probably won't be this year, though. Of course, I keep saying that, and then I keep coming back out here, so we'll see. Thanks for coming along. Okay, so after doing the lakes, the Tatoosh Lakes last Sunday and Tatoosh Peak this Sunday, if you're only able to get out here and do one or the other, I actually suggest the lakes because they're prettier. You have a really, really good view there too, and you're right at the water. So you get to listen to the water lap on the shore. It's a nice sandy shore. It's super nice to hang out down there. It's just a little bit better than going up to the peak. You get a good view at the peak, don't get me wrong, but you also get a really good view at the lakes. And you're right on the water, not as where when you're at the peak, you can look down on a lake, but you're nowhere near it. At the lakes, you get to hear the fish jump and see them jump because you're right there at the water. So I definitely think if you have to pick between going to the lakes or going to the peak, go to the lakes because it's worth it. It's a little bit better than going up to the peak. So if you only gonna do one, that's the one that I would suggest from having done them both in the last couple weeks.